Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Sun Joe 12 amp 16-inch electric cultivator and tiller. But first, let's do a quick unboxing and see what you get inside the box. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Instruction manual with some parts. Top handles. Here's the unit. Wow. Not a lot in here. Everything's here, but very condensed. Alright. So let's see what you have to do to put it together. Assembly. We took the first part of the handle here and used the supplied bolts and these handle nuts, and then just come to the upper one and attach the upper handle to the lower handle with the supplied bolts and handle nuts. Now do note that the heads of the bolts are curved to accommodate for the round shaft of the handles, and then you also have cord holders here that just clip right on. And that's all for assembly. So now let's take a closer look at it. It's fairly light. Operation is quite simple. You have a push button here and a trigger underneath, and it spins the blade and you walk behind it. Overall, it is a good purchase. I have enjoyed it. It worked out well for me. The main con of it, which is also one of its pros, is that it's light. So it's very bouncy. So in order to keep control of it, you gotta make sure you stay up tight to it. While you're walking with it, you can't walk behind it far, or else you're going to be bouncing around all over you. The other con is that it's electric and the cord gets in the way. But other than that, it's been great. I was able to till my garden, and I would buy this again. We'll take a look at what I tilled. So as you can see here, I was able to till 2 rows there. And come down here to a lower bed. And it tilled all this here. So the vegetable garden at the lodge is ready to go. Thank you for watching Maple Lodge Productions. Please like and subscribe.